Hello viewers, in this video we shall see how to decoupage a Tanjore painting onto an MDF board and how to make decorations around it. Without further ado, let's see the materials required. The materials required for this project are MDF board. You can choose a board of any dimensions. Just make sure that the photo fit into the frame accordingly. Next would be a Tanjore painting. You can take a color print on A4 paper or preferably a photo paper. Next you would need acrylic paint, mod podge, and some decorative items that can be used are ball chain, stone chain, lace, ribbon, etc. And to stick these decorative items you would need all fixed glue. The first step is to paint the MDF board with acrylic paint. You might need minimum of 2 coats. You can also choose to paint the base with white and then you can use a color over it. I have used 2 coats of red color paint on this board. The next step is to prepare the photograph to be stuck onto the board. I have taken a photo print and I have peeled the thick paper that is behind this photograph, for which I have just rubbed it on the corner, and I had layers of paper coming out of it, so the thick paper was taken out of it and a thin film will remain which can be stuck onto the board. If you are using a color print, you can use it directly. To stick the photograph onto the board, you will need Mod Podge. While using Mod Podge, make sure you use a brush so that it coats evenly onto the surface. Apply a little amount of Mod Podge on the back side of the photo, the wrong side, as you see on the screen, and then stick it onto the board. Make sure you align the photograph in the right position. Give it a good press along the sides and in the center so that it sticks firmly onto the board. Once it is in place, apply Mod Podge over the photograph and along the sides and the entire board for even finishing. Make sure you apply the Mod Podge in same direction, either horizontally or vertically. This will give a neater finish to the project. Also, you may need more than 1 coat for this. Make sure you leave enough time for each layer of Mod Podge to dry. Only after it is dry, you will have to give the next coating of Mod Podge over it. You may also note there are different types of Mod Podge available in the market. The one that I have used for this project is with a gloss finish. Now that the layers of Mod Podge is dry, we can go ahead with the decoration. The decoration is up to each one's creativity. You may note that I am going to use all fixed glue. There are many brands available in the market. While you read the instructions, see if it is suitable to stick fabric, plastic, lace, stones, any materials. So that particular glue will help to stick the fabric onto the board. I have given a contrast color border on either side of the photograph to enhance its traditional appearance. I've also used ball chain, lace and chain stones. You can also use mirrors and 3D outliners to decorate this. Once the decorative pieces are stuck, let it dry completely. Once dry, this beautiful painting will be ready. These are perfect for decorating your house and also a very good gifting option. I hope you enjoy making this beautiful Tanjore decoupage. If you like this video, please do support us by subscribing to our channel for regular updates and share it with your friends. Thank you.